Boys and girls watching, we have a fun phonics paper today, and as you can see, it looks like we have some words on our paper today. So we're going to look at the picture, we're going to read the words and decide which word goes with our picture. But first, class, stand, and let's say all together the one vowel rule. When there is one vowel in a word, it usually says it's short sound, and we mark it with a nice job. Quietly turn your chair into the table and go ahead and get this paper out when you're sitting down nicely. Make sure your tummies are to the table and backs against the chair before you get out your paper. Boys and girls watching, you can prepare for this paper as well. Start reading start reading the words in that first box. Start reading the words in that first box. Your paper should be down on the table and your hands in your lap. Start reading. All eyes are on your paper. There's no pencils or crayons out yet. Just your eyes are on your paper and your hands are in your lap. What is that first word, boys and girls watching? Bus. Good job. Let's read it with them. All eyes on your paper. Begin. Bus. Bus. Read the next word. Read it in your brain. In your brain. Kayla, what is that word?
Bib.
I am going to fly a bumblebee to your flower. Good job for reading that word. Let's read it with her. All eyes on your paper. Begin. Bib. Is it a bus or a bib?
A bib.
Take out your pencil check. Your helper hand is in the corner. Boys and girls watching, do it with us. Daddy says, Mommy says, and the baby say, great job. Circle the word that goes with the picture. We read these words. The first word was bus, and the second word was bib. So circle the right word. Nobody should look on anybody's paper because we're reading this together. And we're doing it together. We're not circling the picture. We're circling the word bib. Bib. And we're going to make nice, neat circles today. Go to the next box. Read it in your brain. All eyes on your own paper. Cyrus and Kayla, eyes on your own paper. First word. Johanna, what's the first word right here?
Gas.
It is. Let's read it with her. All eyes on your paper. Begin. Gas. 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 Now read the next word. Read it in your brain. Angelina, what is it?
Gap.
Let's see if she's right. All eyes, and a bee's coming to your flower. Begin. Gap. If you're not looking at it, then you're not reading it. You're just saying what we're saying. You have to actually look at the words. Make sure your pencil is staying in your hand, and let's read it again. Gap. Make sure your eyes are right there. Cyrus, read that word.
Gap.
Okay, next time keep your eyes right there. Is it a gas or a gap? Which one? Gas. So circle the word gas. Circle the word gas. Make sure your helper hand stays glued to your paper. Catherine, that will help you so that your paper doesn't move around while you're trying to make nice, neat circles. All right, the next picture is a picture of a dog. So let's read the words that are in with the dog. Carter, first word.
Dog.
What is it?
Dog.
You are right. Good job. Let's read it with him. All eyes on your paper right here. Begin. Dog. Good. Go to the next word. Read that in your brain. Don't circle anything yet. We're doing it together. Lucia, what's the next word? Let's say it real loud.
Dad.
Oh, that's a D at the end. Try again.
Dad.
Dad. Let's read it with her. Begin. Dad, dad, dad. See, it's very important that we are actually keeping our eyes on it and reading what we are looking at. Very important. Good job. So is it a dog or a dad?
A dog.
A dog. Circle the word dog. And I flew a B to Lucia's flower. Good job. That's important. When you open up the Bible, you can't be guessing what words are in the Bible. You have to read the right words, what God says. You're not going to be able to read if you don't learn how to. So keep your eyes on your book, on your paper. Go to where the kitty cat is. Let's read in that box. First word, read it, Bethany.
Cup.
It is. It's cup. Let's read it with her, and a bee is going on her flower. Begin. Cup. Read the next word. Elijah, what's the next word?
Cat.
Let's see if he's right. He must be thinking in his brain and reading while he's waiting. That's what you should be doing. Read it. Let's read it together. Cat. Is it a cup like you drink coffee, like Mrs. Stewart likes to drink coffee in a cup? Or is it a cat?
Cat.
Circle the word cat. How do we spell the word cat? Spell it for me. C-A-T. Good job. All right, go down to that yummy thing on that plate. What do you think that is?
Ham.
It is, it's ham. So one of those words says ham. Let's read it together. Read that first word in your brain. Boys and girls watching, what is that first word? Ham. Good job. You are working hard. Ham. Let's read it with them. Ham. Good job. And read the next word. Read that in your brain. Johanna, what is it?
Hand.
Let's see if she's right. Hen. So what is it, Johanna? Hen. Is it a ham or a hen? Ham. It's ham. That's right. It wasn't chicken. It was ham. Do you know where we get ham from?
Chicken. Piggy.
Not from chickens. From where?
Piggies.
From piggies. That's right. From piggies. From piggies. All right, go to the next box. Let's read from the next box. Circle the word ham and then start reading the words in the next one. I have to show you this girl's circles though, because I've been looking and some circles are not very neat, but this girl's circles are very nice. So we're going to look at her circles real quick. Nice job, Lucy. I like those circles. All right, what is the very first word? Let's see. William, what's the first word? Sound it out. What is it? Pan. Something that you would cook eggs in. A pan. Let's read it with him. Begin. Pan. Oh, let's read it again because not everybody had their eyes on their book. Begin. There you go. Much better to have your eyes on your paper. Good job. Pan. So read the next word. Read that in your brain. Luke, what is that next word? What is it? You're right, I think, but I just can't hear you. Can say it a little bit louder?
Pin.
Good. A pin. Let's read that one. Pin. Is it a pan like you cook eggs in or a pin like you bring Mrs. Stewart in for a treat? Which one is it? A pin. Circle the word pin. All right, let's check our work. Let's check. Pencils to bed. Let's see how you did. All pencils to bed. All right, the first one we did together, and we said it was a bib. The second picture, was it a gas or a gap?
Gas.
Gas, so we circled gas. Good job. How about the next one? Is it a dog or a dad?
Dog.
A dog, good job. So I'm circling dog. The next one was a cup or a cat?
Cat.
A cat, good. Next one is a ham or a hen? Which one? Ham. Good job, Connor. Make sure your paper is down while you're looking at it. And the last one, is it a pan or a pin?
Pin.
A pin. Good job. All right, turn your paper over. Ooh, we get to play a fun game. I am excited. But first, let's read our blends together. Are you ready? Let's see. First blend at the bottom. We're going to be super fast to read blends. First blend, Carter.
Two.
Second blend, Lucia. Best. Ba. Third blend, Kyla. Set. Next blend, Connor. You're right, say it real loud. Raw, good job. And the first one at the top, boys and girls watching, ma. Excellent job. Let's start at the top and work our way down. We're going to say it together. Begin. Ma, raw, se, ba, ti. Good job. Can we try to do it where we're all saying it together? Because you're going to need to know where the blends are when we play our game. So eyes on your paper, Oakley. Eyes on your paper. Begin. Ma, ra, se, ba, ti. Good job. Take out your crayons. Put them on your name tag. Remember, when we circle our blend, we're going to make it nice and neat, just like when we use our pencils. So do your very best job. All right, Kyla, make sure you're sitting nicely so you don't fall out of your chair. Please fix your feet. All right, I'm looking for the blend that you hear in the word bat. Bat. Take out your yellow crayon and circle the blend that you hear in bat. There was a bat in my attic. A bat. Bat. How do we, yellow crayons down, which blend did you circle? Spell it for me. Oakley, spell me the blend that you circled. Well, spell it for me. What two letters? B and A. Good job. All right, hands in your lap and eyes this way. So all crayons should be down and ears are listening. I'm looking for the blend in the word mud. Mud. Take out your green crayon. Mud. 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 Spell me what blend you circled. Cyrus, spell it for me.
M-N-U.
M-N-U. Good job. Crayons down. If this is the one that you circled, you did it right. Good job. All right, next one. Sell. Sell. I will sell my vegetables at the farmer's market. Sell. L. Pick up your red crayon and circle the blend you hear in sell. Johanna, you did that so fast. Johanna, what two letters is in the blend?
S and E.
S and E. Good job. Got the wrong color. Take out your purple crayon. I'm looking for the blend in the word tip. Tip. The cheese was so big it made the mouse tip over. Tip. Go ahead and circle that with your purple crayon. Tip. Catherine, what two letters?
T and I.
T and I. Good job. I like your hard work. Go ahead and put your purple crayons down. And eyes this way. Our little mouse ran up the clock and then he came down to get his lunch. And his lunch is what? Cheese. So I'm going to use my yellow crayon and I'm going to color my cheese yellow. Go ahead and take out your yellow crayon, check. Daddy says, Mommy says,
I love you.
and the babies say,
I love it.
go ahead and color just the cheese yellow. Just the cheese yellow. And then what color is our cute little mouse, Connor?
Wow.
It is brown. So we're going to take our brown crayon and we are going to color so neatly our little mouse. He is going to be brown. I'm going to color his ears, his cute little face. I'm going to try not to get his nose because I like that his nose is pink. So cute. I like his little smile. He is so happy. He's got a big chunk of cheese there to eat for his snack. I'm going to go around the cheese. Color his feet. Brown. When you're done coloring the yellow cheese, you may take out your brown crayon and color the mouse brown. Make sure Mommy and Daddy are holding on tight. The babies are tucked inside. Make sure you're still sitting up straight and tall. You don't want to be slouching when you're coloring. Boys and girls watching, I hope that you had fun today doing our fun game with our blends and then coloring your little mouse with his yummy cheese.